Jai Hind cadets, today we are going to study rural livelihood. Rural livelihood means we will be studying about the village and the people who are living there. Agriculture is the main occupation in rural areas. About 70% of the population live in villages and are dependent upon agriculture for their livelihood. Mean most of the people in the village areas is dependent on agriculture. So the main occupation of the villagers are agriculture. They are doing agriculture activities. So agriculture influences almost every sphere of life in rural areas. Farmers in rural areas, the earnings of farmers depend on the crops that they grow. People who work on farms involve themselves in activities like preparing lands, sowing, weeding and harvesting the crops. These are the main activities which are done by the farmer in the farms. Their farming depends upon the monsoon, means rainfall is very important for doing cultivation. Mainly paddy, cotton, sugarcane, mango and coconut trees are grown in agricultural fields. Apart from farming, people from the rural areas earn their living by doing non-farm work, and some people provide services to others. Means there are other activities also that people used to do in the rural areas beside farming. Laborers. People in the villages who are landless have to earn their living by working as laborers on the bigger farms. They earn a daily wage or get wheat, rice or other types of crop for their wages. Truck drivers, loaders, construction workers and people who make utensils, bricks, basket, pots, bullock carts, etc. comes under the category of non-farm works. So these are the non-farm works. Other sources of livelihood. People from rural areas sell rice, tendu leaves, wheat, honey, milk and dairy products, fish, animal husbandry, etc. in the market for some extra money to serve their families. Income is also earned by providing services like teaching, cutting hair, washing clothes, weaving, nursing, selling items, etc. On being in debt. In rural areas, farmers are not able to earn money throughout the year. They have to travel from place to place in search of work every season. They borrow money from lenders for their basic needs. When they are unable to pay back, the farmers goes into debt. So this is the condition and scenario which generally happens in any village. So for today only this much cadets. Rest we will be studying in next class. Thank you.